I have always held that peace and stability take precedence over all matters, including economic development. Indeed, you can't even talk about economic development without peace and stability. Today, in spite of our economic challenges, Ghana remains a leading country of choice for foreign investors. This doesn't happen by chance. It can only happen by deliberate policy of government. Mr. President, you have still not told me how you managed to end the Dagbon crisis. That for a long time threatened the peace and stability of our country. Although there are pockets of communal disturbances in some parts of our country, the Dagbon crisis, which existed for so long, for many years, is being forgotten about as a result of your maturity. Mr. President, I am largely dwelling on matters of peace and security, for if I have to make a choice between freedom and order, I will choose the latter. For without order, nothing good endures. Mr. President.